Whether it's a playground or your backyard, there are some basic but very important principles behind the science of swinging. We put our best minds to work on the science of swings. Here's what they've determined. This young girl is the mass, the pendulum that will create the motion. She sits still on the swing, the equilibrium position. The swing seat hangs straight down until she stands up, leans back, and pushes off. Motion becomes energy. The swing now has inertia, the natural tendency of objects in motion to stay in motion. She's pumping her legs, stretching them forward, then drawing them underneath the seat. This changes the overall center of mass for your body. There are two kinds of energy at work here, potential energy and kinetic energy. Right now, she's building up potential energy. It's determined by how high up you go in either direction. As you swing forward, pushing your feet out front and leaning back, you raise the center of your body mass. Same when you go backwards, but this time you fold your feet in, under the seat, and lean forward, shifting your body mass, which adds momentum. Kinetic energy is when you come down from the highest point on either side. This is speed. Thank you, potential energy. The higher up you go on either side, the faster you come down. Again, build potential energy on the way up and speed down with kinetic energy. You cross the middle, the equilibrium, but that inertia keeps you going as long as you use the downward effect of gravity. Once you sit still in the seat, gravity brings you to a slow stop, or you can use friction. Drag your feet until you come to a stop. There are more dramatic methods of stopping, but they're not recommended by scientists or parents.